Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now for me. So push it in, and you'll see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. On the tray you'll have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to utilize the dual SIM support, you'd place one of the SIM cards sideways like so. But because I'm gonna be using a SIM and SD card, I'm going to move that one over and pop in the card right here like so. Now when the cards are on the tray, just make sure that they're laying completely flush on the tray. There should not be protruding from it, as you can see. And from there, just insert it back into your device. And there we go. Now, unfortunately, this is HUAWEI, so there we go. It literally just changed the language of the device to the language of a SIM card without any kind of prompt or me just allowing it. It just does it with a middle finger because screw you. So anyway, let's confirm our PIN because that's what it is. If you right now have your device set into a language that you don't understand, then right now you probably need to put in your PIN. So I'm gonna utilize mine. And from here we're going to unlock it, and I'm going to quickly show you where you can revert this unwanted change. Because let's be honest, we did have a setup screen for some effing reason, and that was so we could set up our device the way we wanted. But you know, HUAWEI thinks, with their infinite wisdom, they're going to do it for you. Because hey, you apparently inserted a SIM card from a different region, so the language that you have selected throughout the setup means nothing. Anyway, so let's get into our settings. Oh, right, I do want to show this as an icon, so for people that are right now looking at this in a language that they do not understand, obviously settings or applications will be under this little button right here, and scroll all the way down and look for this kind of icon with basically gear. In here, you want to probably navigate all the way down to system, which will be right here. It has an icon of a phone with an eye in it. And here we're looking for language, which looks to be the fourth option. So right over here. So just count fourth option from the top, click on it. And then very first one is the language. And here you'll select the second option, which is add language. Now there will not be any other languages visible right here because HUAWEI makes sure of it that you only have the one that is appropriate for the SIM card. And if you had previously several languages to choose from right here because you swapped between, yeah, those are no longer visible anyway. They get automatically removed. So anyway, select the add language button, like I mentioned, second one, and then find your desired language. So for me, it's going to be English. Now we're gonna select region, so let's select the United Kingdom just for the giggles of it. And once you do, it just gets added to the list, so we need to now get that language over to the top above the language that got chosen by HUAWEI. And as you can see, it changes our language. So there we go, just a quick fix to a problem that shouldn't even exist. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.